Hi, Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to show you what a light box is. I have two of them. I'm going to show you the two that I have. Here's the first one that I have. It's a 12 by 18. I'm going to take it out of the box and show it to you in a minute. This one will be flat and the other one is a little bit raised, and I'll show you here in a second. Alright, I'm showing it to you at an angle. It is so bright that my camera lens does not want to focus on it. And I don't know how to change my camera on here to make it different, so I've kept it a distance. I have a piece of regular typing paper on the left, and when I get up here it's gonna change. You'll see it here in a minute. It puts a bar. See how it started making it dark right there? It's almost as if the camera is too close to it and it doesn't like that, so I'm backing off of it. But here's the pattern that I have. Okay, see those two little coffee cups? Let's say that I wanted to trace them. If I put this over the top, you can see it really good to trace. And that's what I do with my applique if I don't have a die for it with my AccuQuilt. This is what I do, is I sit it on my light, drew a picture of a heart, because it was a wonky heart. And then I went and I did applique, and you can draw it directly on a piece of paper, a light, whatever you're going to use. Let's say that you were going to make some templates. If your template you're using, now we're not talking about cardboard, we're talking about see-through plastic, like the Shrinky Dinks, that's plastic. I got a piece of plastic right here I'm going to pull out of the drawer that I have cut. If I can get it out here, I'll give you an example. For example, this right here, which is see-through, if I was going to make a permanent template and I wanted to make that cup, I just put it right over. Here it is. It's going to be hard to see, I think, but we're going to try. Let me back up a little bit. There we go, you can see a little better. So I would just stick that right over my cup, and then I would take a permanent marker and I would just draw it. Then I can cut this out. This is not really too thick, but you could cut this out. And then you'd have a permanent template. Or just take your paper and make your templates. And then just trace this. If you were to use fusible webbing, because let's say that you were going to fuse this down. You just go ahead and make them all on fusible web, as many cups as you wanted to, and then just cut them all out and put them on your project. Now let me put my other light box up here and I'll show you that one. Okay, so this is the other one, and it is flat. Let me show you here. So it's flat. It's not a turn off and on switch. It's just like, it's a touch switch. Now, I'm going to slowly, I'm going to do this so you can see it with. So all you do is touch it, and it keeps getting brighter and brighter. And if you hold your finger on it, it gets so bright that the camera can barely handle it. This one is brighter than the other box, and that one was pretty bright. Let me put the pattern on it. You can probably already see the pattern better on this one than the other one. And I got this because it does have different gradations of light. Let's put this on here. Let's see. I do like this one a lot better. And of course, like I said, let me see if I can make it less light while I got it. As you can tell, it's going down. It's still on. Now it's coming up. Let's see. So that's what a light box is used for. They've got a new one out now that come in different sizes also. I think you can cut on the new ones with your rotary blade, the more advanced ones. So I hope that's giving you a little bit of idea about the light box and Whenever I freehand something, which isn't too often because I'm really not that good I don't feel like that I can draw that well. But I can decrease a picture. I don't have a problem doing that. And whenever I want to draw something that I want to repeat for an applique, that's what I do. So I go ahead and I use this light box to draw it out, so I've got a whole bunch of them. So I hope I've given you enough information. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.